Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find new artists on SoundCloud. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to find new artists on your SoundCloud account, open up your web browser first. Go to the URL box and type in www.soundcloud.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in this homepage of SoundCloud, you'll be able to see a universal search bar at the very top of the screen. Type in the name of the artist you'd like to find, and it will make a suggestion for artists, music and audio based on whatever you enter in the search bar. Once you find the person you are looking for in the suggestions, click it on and you'll be able to find artists you can follow or any new artists on SoundCloud. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.